So we start off today's video with this beautiful pixie hair transformation. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. This is such a pretty, fun pixie style. Loving the hint of color she got as well. Beautiful. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature a variety of pixie and bob haircut transformations. So if you've been thinking of going short and you're in need of some major hair inspiration, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another big chop transformation. Beautiful bob haircut. Stylist is adding in some bangs. Wow, she looks absolutely gorgeous. Such a dramatic transformation. And then we see someone with long hair. So it looks like she's definitely getting ready to donate her strands. Wow, absolutely gorgeous pixie haircuts. And then we see someone with long, thick, wavy hair. Wow, absolutely gorgeous shoulder length bob style. And because she does have a natural curly wavy hair, she can wear her own texture in the form of a bob. Very nice. Next up, we have another fresh bob change. Stylist did add some beautiful bangs in the front with this one, and we're seeing a lot of layered bobs. Very pretty. Great way to frame out the face. And then next we see someone with long hair. So she must be getting ready to get a pixie because she's going quite short with the cutting. And the stylist also has a really nice pixie. Wow. Love how this perfectly frames her cheekbones. Absolutely gorgeous makeover. And then she still does have a few pops of blonde in the bangs. That's really chic. Very nice. And then we have someone with mid-length hair. Oh, very nice bob haircuts. Lots of texture with this one. Beautiful. Nice swoop bang in the front. Gorgeous transformation. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these pixie and bob hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.